Motorcycle myths can be as persistent as a stubborn oil stain. Here are 9 that just won't seem to go away. If you're making any of these mistakes, don't worry, just fix it. Number 1, loud pipes save lives. While loud pipes might make you more noticeable, they don't necessarily make you safer. Becoming a better rider and being aware of your surroundings is more effective. Make sure you develop good situational awareness so you don't have to rely on loud pipes to save your butt. Myth number 2, open face helmets are just as good as full face helmets. Full face helmets provide better protection for your entire head, including your chin and face. As someone who's eaten through a straw in the past, I'll tell you firsthand, full face helmets are the way to go. Myth number 3, using car tires on motorcycles is fine. Car tires are not designed for the dynamics of a motorcycle and can be dangerous. Make sure you get proper motorcycle tires installed on your bike so you can lean effectively and maneuver properly. Myth number 4, the rear brake stops a bike better than the front brake. This is probably one of the stupidest myths on the list. The front brake provides over 70% of a motorcycle's stopping power, and on modern street bikes, it's closer to 90%. For the most effective stopping possible, get in the habit of using both brakes every time you stop. That way you can achieve 100% of your stopping power. Myth number 5, you need to lay your bike down to avoid a crash. Modern braking systems and techniques are far more effective than laying down your bike. Practice your threshold braking so you can get good at stopping your bike in the shortest distance possible. This is a skill that you can practice endlessly and never be too good at. One day, your life might depend on how good you can use your brakes. Coming up next is myth number 6, but before we get into that, make sure and like the video and subscribe to the channel for more. Myth number 6, motorcycles are more dangerous than cars. While motorcycles do have higher risks, proper training, gear, and riding habits can significantly reduce those risks. And nowadays, you can even wear motorcycle airbag vests to protect you even further. Link in the description below. Myth number 7, you don't need to wear gear if you're just riding a short distance. Accidents can happen anytime, anywhere. Wearing proper gear is always important. You never know when you're going to get in an accident, so make sure you're fully geared up every single time you ride. Myth number 8, motorcycles are only for thrill seekers. Many people ride motorcycles for various reasons, including commuting, touring, and even relaxation. Figure out why you want to ride motorcycles and get out there and have some fun. Myth number 9, you can't ride a motorcycle in the rain. With the right gear and techniques, riding in the rain can be safe and even enjoyable. And as someone who likes to ride in the rain personally, make sure and check out my rain riding videos to learn the proper techniques to keep you safe in the rain. These myths can lead to dangerous misconceptions, so it's important to separate fact from fiction. And now that you know how to do that, make sure and share this video with others to help them learn the truth. Like the video to spread awareness and subscribe to the channel for more. And don't forget, ride safe and smart.